On a windy day, strong wind blows. The weather remains cool. Strong winds blow on a windy day. Trees and plants hold soil with their roots. Where there are no trees and plants, wind blows away the soil. जैसे ही जोर से हवा बहने लग जाती है, जनरली इन समर हवा के साथ में धूल मिट्टी भी उड़कर घर में आती है और फिर मम्मी को बहुत सारी साफ सफाई करनी पड़ती है. राइट नो? On a rainy day, it rains. Weather is wet. We all enjoy when it rains. Thunder and lightning add the beauty of the rain. People use umbrellas, raincoats, gumboots, etc. to avoid getting wet. Now turn the page. Weather changes in different seasons. Now weather is not same on a day, but it changes for the seasons also. The main seasons are summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, spring. First season, summer. Summer is the hottest season. And we are living in Maharashtra, right? So, and Jalgaon district, Jalgaon city. And Jalgaon is very famous for the hottest place, right? And we experience summer in Jalgaon from April, May, June. April to June. So, there is a bright sunshine and high temperature during the day. The sun is very bright in this season. The hot wind blows. We sweat a lot. We drink a lot of water. We wear light cotton clothes. We enjoy juicy mangoes. In summer season, variety of fruits available. Juicy mangoes are there. Kacha aam, pakka aam. Juicy mangoes means pakka hua aam. And raw mangoes. They are curry. They are known as curry. मम्मी तो ढेर सारी variety of dishes बनाती है, right? Then melons, muskmelons, watermelons. Muskmelon, watermelons. These are very juicy. Cold drinks. Now here, dear students, the cold drinks. Which cold drinks? Which are available in market? No, they are not cold drinks. They are soft drinks and not good for the health. जो मार्केट में मिलते हैं एज अ कोल्ड ड्रिंक, कंपनी के जो प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर द हेल्थ. वो सोडा बोटल्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. वो हमें नहीं पीने चाहिए. देन विच कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स आर गुड फॉर द हेल्थ? जो मम्मी बनाती है, नींबू पानी, राइट? यस, नींबू शरबत वी कैन कॉल इट, और लेमन जूस. लेमन जूस. देन कोकोनट वाटर, जो ग्रीन कलर का कोकोनट होता है उसका वाटर, दैट इज गुड फॉर द हेल्थ. एंड सिंपल जो बटर मिल्क होता है घर में अवेलेबल, और हम उसे कॉल करते हैं इन हिंदी छाछ. उससे बनता है मट्ठा. उसमें थोड़ा सा मसाला ऐड करो तो बन जाता है मट्ठा. सो छाछ, मट्ठा, these are the cold drinks which are very good for the health. Next is ice cream. Everyone loves ice cream, right? But वो भी ज़्यादा नहीं खानी चाहिए. Homemade ice cream खानी चाहिए. Okay. Next, monsoon. Monsoon is also called the rainy season. In India, monsoon is also called the rainy season. It comes after the hot summer. It comes after the hot summer. In which month rainy season is there? In our area, they are July, August, September. Which months, dear students? July, August, September. It is the wettest season. The sky is mostly covered with dark clouds and it rains often. The land is mostly green everywhere. Sometimes a rainbow is seen in the sky and you children love to see the rainbow. Next season is autumn. Autumn comes after the rainy season and before winter. It is a pleasant season. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Trees shed their leaves in this season. This season is from September to October. Okay. Next, winter season. Winter is the coldest season. Winter is the coldest season. Winter is the season of cold winds and low temperature. People look forward to the sunshine. ठंड लगती है तो धूप सेकते हैं, right? Winter is the coldest season. The sun is not very bright. Cold wind blows on mountains and hills. It snows. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. We use quilts and blankets at night. So, dear students, winter is the coldest season. We use quilts and blankets at night. We enjoy hot drinks like tea, coffee. Along with the tea, coffee, we enjoy soup, vegetable soup. Next season is spring. Spring comes between winter and summer. This season is very pleasant. This season is very pleasant. The days are not as cold as in winter. Plant bear new leaves and flowers. Nature looks beautiful during this season. February and March are the months for these seasons. And now, which season is there then? Spring season. Right? Plants start blooming with flowers. Now you can see lots of variety of flowers around you. Dear students, in this lesson, you will learn that weather depends on the sun, the wind, the clouds and the rain. The main seasons are summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, spring. Summer is the hottest season. Monsoon is also called the rainy season. It is the wettest season. Autumn comes after the rainy season and before winter. It is a pleasant season. Winter is the coldest season. Spring comes between winter and summer. Now we will solve worksheet number 14. First, filling the blanks. On a sunny day, the weather is warm. W-A-R-M. On a windy day, the weather remains cool. C-O-O-L, cool. On a cloudy day, the weather is dull. D-U-L-L, dull. On a rainy day, the weather is wet. W-E-T, wet. Next question. Tick the correct answer. Which season comes after the summer? That is monsoon. Which season comes after the monsoon? That is autumn. Which season comes after the autumn? That is winter. During which season do we experience wet weather? That is monsoon. Now take the name. Two winter fruits. They are orange, pineapple. Two summer fruits, mango, melons. Two drinks that make us cool. You can write coconut water, lemon juice and buttermilk also. Two drinks that we take hot, tea, coffee. Here you can arrange the circle. You can color. This is activity you can do at home with coloring of the months. So here teaching part of the lesson is over and our syllabus of the science is also over. Okay students, bye bye.